Are you struggling with a garage door that just won't open, right? The problem might be worn or broken cables, key components that help lift and lower your garage door smoothly. Over time, these cables can fray or snap, resulting in a door that's uneven or stuck. Don't let a faulty door disrupt your routine in the Haywards Bay area. Call our expert team at 0409-774-111 for fast professional garage door repair. We're here to ensure your garage door operates perfectly with quick and efficient service. Why wait? Get your garage door fixed today and enjoy the convenience you deserve.